Oh my god. Oh my god, he on X Games mode.
I want to try this color changing filter on my cat, Cairo. This one's supposed to change things from yellow to blue. Oh my gosh. Your eyes! Hi, baby!
Did you run away yesterday? Why'd you run away yesterday? Where'd you go to?
You can do it! You can do it! Come on! You can do it! Come on! Oh, it's okay. It's okay. You can do it. Come on. Oh, your siblings are out here. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You don't have to.
When I wake up in the morning, touch his little fluster, see his little mittens, give his nose a boops. Oh! Look at that! Y'all are doing the snoozy time!
This is my favorite dog challenge. Gasp at your dog and see what they do. Gasp dramatically.
True, I have an important question to ask you. I have a really important question. Can you look at me for a second? Are you my best friend? Are you my best friend? Do you?
God. Give that back. Really?
Dave, are you hungry? Say yeah!
Hello? Hello! Are you a dog? Yes! I am also a dog.
All right!
Yeah!
We're dogs!
Yeah, we're dogs.
We're dogs that live near each other!
Hey, are you guys dogs? Yeah.
We're totally dogs!
Yeah, both of us.
Dave, are you hungry? Say yeah!
wants a wee belly rub. Who's a big yawn? He's so affectionate. Gizmo, who's here? There's someone here. Where's Dad? Where's Dad? Where'd he go? You gotta turn around. Gizmo, look over there. Turn around. Gizmo, turn around. Does he see you in the reflection? Where's Dad? You think he's in that car? I don't think so. Gizmo, turn around. Gizmo. Gizmo. Where's your dad? You don't know? Oh, buddy.
When I wake up in the morning and I slip on poo and I look at my cat and wonder what's wrong with you, I scream, hey, why you poop on the floor?
If you're hungry and you know it, say, oh. If you're hungry and you know it, say, oh. If you're hungry and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're hungry and you know it, say, oh.
Oh, gitu. Gitu ya. Oh, ih lucu banget. Ih lucu banget. Lucu banget sih kamu. Mama. Kamu ngomong mama? Ih, kamu ngomong mama? Mama. Oh. Let me see your smile. Oh, so beautiful.
Leo.
Somebody call 999. We've got a cutie bomb on our hands. Oh, did you just live? Well done.
Making my way back home, been a long day, time to see my fluffy dog.
You're my freaking life. You're my reason for breathing. Everything I do is for you, so that you can have a better life, so that you can eat fancy feast whenever you want to. Everything I do for...
Hello? Hello? Are you a dog?
Yes!
I am also a dog.
All right!
Yeah!
We're dogs!
Yeah.
What is it?